I chiseled the corners for all of these. I couldn't get a guillotine for this. The guillotine is too small for these 6-inch high caps, so it was a chisel job of 26 corner units. That went well. I got all those done today, as well as the wiring of the lights. So we ran our wire up the side and in and around, and then we'll wrap this with something before we cover it up with gravel. But basically we have to score a small line here, and then again for this light on this cap to allow the wire to run from the light through to this channel and then into here. That's under this cap here. So you can see there we cut a channel in to get to this groove and then down for that wire. Really happy with the way that those lights turned out, hardscape lights under those caps. The reason why I went with the 3-inch ones was because we could have gone with the 6-inch ones, but only one on each step, but I don't like that straight line down the middle, lights going all the way up the steps. I like to add a little bit more depth to it. So in this situation with the 4-foot wide steps is I go with the 3-inch lights and I do a 2-1, 2-1 alternating all the way to the top. I think it makes it look much nicer. If I went 2 6 inches, it's just too much light. It kind of washes out the texture of the wall. We want to make sure that there's enough light, but also enough shadow to show the texture of the wall as that light shines down. And this is what it looks like. That's end of day 12 in the books. What we did there was we completed the last 3 steps of those 13 steps, got those installed, got all the lights finished up there, as well as the caps, got those caps fitted in nicely. Centered everything, got everything looking nice. That tomorrow what we can do is glue the caps down if possible. Lens is fogging up here a little bit. But glue those caps down, get the landings finished. Not much to do with those landings. There's not many of them in this. That should be all completed tomorrow. These steps wrapped up. That means the fire pit patio, walkways, steps, 2 of the 3 phases of this job are complete. We just need to do the pond and then we are walking away from this job nicely. Thanks for watching, even though you can't probably see me through this fogged up lens. And I hope that you like this video, subscribe, follow along with this project, as well as the many other videos that we've got on this I Am a Hardscaper channel, and our articles to complement those videos at howtohardscape.com, as well as our podcast, How to Hardscape, if you want to follow along with that. Thanks for watching.